hydraulic cartridge valve with a performance of over 1 million times. AAK has good tricks on testing the service life. Cannan is from Israel. Recently, they developed a hydraulic unit, which requires high-precision hydraulic cartridge valves. The service life needs to be no less than 1 million times. Cannan received a hydraulic cartridge valve recommended by the original supplier. It was a valve equivalent to HydraForce standard part, and all parameters meet his hydraulic unit operating conditions. Cannan greatly appreciated the recommendation of this hydraulic cartridge valve supplier because this standard part can be used directly instead of customizing the hydraulic cartridge valve specially. What Cannan didn't expect was that after the hydraulic unit had been running for about 6 months, they received customer complaints about several hydraulic cartridge valves leaking. At the beginning, Cannan thought that it was just an isolated case. With more and more complaints at a later time, Cannan realized that the original supplier's hydraulic cartridge valves only had a service life of less than 1 million times. The manufacturer stated that the high operating frequency of the equipment caused damage to the hydraulic cartridge valve. The only solution is to replace with new ones. Cannan was very helpless. Cannan found the AAK website on Google. He noticed that AAK has multiple cases regarding the service life of hydraulic cartridge valves. He left us a message. Can AAK guarantee the service life of hydraulic cartridge valves over 1 million times? At the same time, he listed us the HydraForce model code of this hydraulic cartridge valve. We told him that the service life of this hydraulic cartridge valve is not only determined by the selection of materials, the precision of processing, but also the durability testing. AAK controls quality from these 3 aspects. Cannan requested us to send him 30 samples from our inventory. We delivered the samples within 1 week and also sent him a video of AAK testing the durability of hydraulic cartridge valves. The key to service life of AAK hydraulic cartridge valve over 1 million times lies in the selection of materials, precision processing, and durability testing. Let's not talk about the first 2 aspects, but mainly about the durability testing equipment independently developed by AAK, which is the last eagle eye in the service life of AAK hydraulic cartridge valves. For each batch of hydraulic cartridge valves, we randomly select 20% of the quantity and test the durability of the valves, set the pressure and flow rate at the required range, set the number of tests, and start testing. During the testing process, the equipment can automatically control the hydraulic cartridge valve to open and close. During testing, if there are any abnormalities, the device will automatically give a reminder. AAK hydraulic cartridge valve is controlled from 3 aspects. To get a guaranteed service life of 1 million times, you can also give it a try.